It's Saturday the 2nd of May 2026 and we've got a collapsed drain. The lads are just cutting the floor. I'll give you a little input in a second. Right, so that's the floor marked, cut, so we're going to be digging. And this is the broken pipe. I'll show you on there. Push the camera in there. That's it there. Completely broken, washed out. So we might go beyond that, up to the second joint, make a good job of it. Completely collapsed. That's the concrete out. Start the dig. Got a nice bit of pipe there for a couple of broken pipes removed, and we're going to connect onto there. Nice barn seal. That barn seal there, new pipe. Nice little Nyas. There's my joint there. All the way at the manhole. So that should work as it should now. That new stretcher pipe in. Hopefully no more problems for the customer. Nyas Construction on behalf of Cleaner Drain.